Holy cow, guys. I almost had a heart attack. I was coming down this road right here, and I'm just sitting there driving, going along. I'm trying to finish this corner, and then all of a sudden in my mirrors on both sides, I just see smoke. Welcome back, guys. My name is Daniel and you're watching Triple R Farms, and it is Monday, October the 17th, and let me get you caught up on what is going on today. So I had the John Deere mechanic. He had to come out here to my cotton picker. I had a brake pedal valve right underneath the cab that messed up on me. Anyway, he had to order a new valve. Came out and we put that on, and while he was here, I had him kind of look at everything that me and Dad were looking at on the issues with the picker running hot. And this is what we found out. So when I was at high idle, this is your this part of the radiator right here, the bottom is your actual engine cooling. This is what cools. It's basically three different radiators right here on this back panel, and then this is separate too. But anyway, this bottom one is the engine cooling, and he took a rag. I had it wide open and high, and you could take he had a cloth rag, and he dropped it and it would hit right here and fall down. So it was basically this whole area, almost a third of the radiator right here, which I thought was clean, is completely stopped up. And if you look down in there really good, you can see the dirt. And when I was blowing it out, I blew the whole radiator out, but I think the dirt is so packed in there that it was kind of confusing. When you're blowing with the air blower, you think it's clean, you think it's going all the way through, but it's just hitting that dirt, and no more dirt is coming out. So anyway, he said that's enough right there, enough blockage to make this thing run hot when you're in a full load on the hottest part of the day. You drop the rag right here, it was sucked to this so flat. All of this would suck flat except this area right here. So he wanted me to clean that out first, and then run it and see if that clears up the running hot. So this is what he wanted me to spray on it. I got this at Napa. It's called Renews, but it's a condenser coil cleaner. Basically, I think this is pretty much acid. We're gonna pump up sprayer, we're gonna put it in. I gotta clean this out first with water, but we'll pour this in there. And then you spray it on the radiator, and I think you let it sit for 5 minutes. Then James is bringing the pressure washer, and after this sits on there for 5 minutes, we'll take the pressure washer, cut the water down, and anyway, just kind of lightly spray it out of there. And then we'll do this probably at least twice, and then wash it again, maybe 3 times. Anyway, that's the first thing we're gonna do this morning. Dad has had an issue over the weekend. Case combine, the 8250, he was combining beans. He had a big bearing go out on the back of the throat. Not the bearing that holds the back of the feeder house chain, it's the one behind there. It's kind of like a big, it's a drum, got a little paddle, I call it a little paddle wheel. Anyway, he had that bearing go out Saturday. So he is headed to H&R in Columbus. They had it. He's going to get that and see if he can get going today. Anyway, we're going to be here picking cotton all day. And then the plan for tomorrow is Philip's going to come help me again. He's going to run the picker. And then I'm going to finish defoliating the rest of the cotton. Once I do that, then I may get on my combine tomorrow, and you may get to see some soybean harvest. So stay tuned for that. But let's get to work on the cotton picker and get this video started. Okay. There was a lot of dirt that came out of this thing. And when I was steam cleaning, if you saw in the video, you'll see where the water's not bubbling back on me. That's where it's clean and it's going straight on through the radiator. But I got right over here in all this area. You could see it on the camera. It was just bubbling up, dirt coming out of there. It was really dirty. So that was the first shot. I'm gonna spray it again with this. It's getting some of it out. Look at that. Yeah, I got a couple of things going wrong. I think a piece of cotton, piece of lint is dangling in front of that sensor on the back on my handler. And then I got a fuel pressure issue. That one right there. Man, if we didn't have them, I was gonna have to make a trip to John Deere. But we got them. Now we're gonna run back up to Lounsboro, throw these things on, and see if that corrects our fuel pressure issue. Wash your eyes. Dirty.
Yeah.
Got him. Filter number 2. You can get it in there.
Yeah, need to put this one first.
Let me come up from the bottom.
Yeah.
Probably what it is right here. Look at this one. Hey. Yeah, that's funny. A little bit of cotton on the ground, really not too bad at all from all that rain. It's just kind of, whenever you do get rain on it, the cotton kind of draws up and it just is not quite as fluffy after rain. But anyway, it's picking pretty good. We're leaving a little bit, but that's not bad at all. And we are out of route. Let's go load it. done. Holy cow, guys. I almost had a heart attack. I was coming down this road right here, and I'm just sitting there driving, going along. I'm trying to finish this corner, and then all of a sudden in my mirrors on both sides, I just see smoke pouring out of the cotton picker on both sides. I'm talking about big time. I thought the thing was on fire. Jumped down, grabbed the fire extinguishers and stuff, running around like crazy, trying to figure out where the smoke's coming from, if I need to shut it off or not. But once I realized when I got back here, it's not hydraulical. I thought it was either a belt was on fire, or the bell was on fire, or either, you know, a hydraulic hose had busted and, you know, spraying on a muffler or something. And anyway, I figured out it was a radiator. Smelled like antifreeze. So then I went up there and cut it off, and I've been walking around it for a while now trying to figure out what happened, where it's coming from, and I just found it. It's right in here. I don't even know if y'all can see that. See that hose right there? The little bitty short radiator hose. Now, we did not replace that one last winter. I don't think we did. But anyway, that's where it's coming from. So what happened was it was leaking out of there, and then this fan was sucking all of the water and antifreeze and blowing it all back over the motor and the muffler and all back here. So that's why it was pouring out on both sides. But I know that hose right there has got a hole in it. I don't think there's any more, but we'll definitely check it out. But golly, I've got like a massive migraine right now. But we're okay. I'm gonna pull that cover off. First of all, I gotta get back to my truck. I gotta get that cover off, see if I can get that little radiator hose off, see if it's got a number on it. And then we'll start trying to figure out if we can get the thing ordered, or we need to go to like a store like Napa has it or something. Oh boy. I need to sit down and regroup here. Scared me half to death. Drop one. Oh, we got one more. There she is. No idea, it just busted. Yeah, that won't work. Guys, can you believe it? This is our lucky day. They had it. Cannot believe it, because it's just a random part to keep. But anyway, this is it. So I'm gonna grab some parts, and then I'm gonna go out there, walk out there in the field and put it on. Philip is on the way. He's meeting me out here. James is on the way. He's bringing the steam cleaner. And anyway, we're gonna get this thing on, get it back up here to the water, and we're gonna clean the heads. I'm gonna hopefully steam clean the radiator out again with that acid stuff. We got to put some net wrap on, and yeah, then Philip's gonna get to picking, and then I'm gonna go to back to spraying, finish up defoliating the cotton today, because we got freezing weather coming tomorrow. But let's grab some tools. Let's go put this baby on. Nut is on that hose clamp. All right, I think that's everything I need. Drill, wrenches, screwdriver. Oh, get that hose on, get the good stuff, slick, make it go on easy. Penetro 9. This is where she goes, but you see that's kind of a tight fit. I think I can move this out just a little bit. Basically, I'm gonna try to slide it on this way as far as I can, and then we'll come back over On to this one. Let's see what we can do. Ooh, it's not gonna be fun. Oh, it's almost on. You going? Hot dog. No more of this. All right. Now we just got to manhandle it. We'll get back here. Here we go. Look at there, y'all. Look at there. Y'all act like that was gonna be hard. Really should have brought a funnel, but we'll get by. Not too bad. You gonna make it?
Get my exercise in.
Already.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tighten that chain up.
Okay.
You want me to wash your radiator out?
That's up to you.
I don't know what time it is.
It's about 10, isn't it?
10:17. Don't take long.
Yeah, let's wash. Just get that film out of there.
Yeah. I'm working that dirt out. Stuff's pretty neat. Alright guys, dumpster, and there's our lineup. And should we go with the field goal, or should we go with the football pass? Let's try the field goal. That will not work. Only the field goals will be done with plastic bottles from now on, so we'll swap to the throwing. Best out of 4. Before you say anything, there is a lot of wind, and those are very light cans. So, 1 out of 4. Alright guys, here is the lineup for today. This will be the last defoliation of cotton we do this year. Only thing that we've changed up is Boll Buster, the rate. So Boll Buster, we were doing 32 ounces, we're going with 40. 40 ounces to the acre. Folex, 10 ounces to the acre. Takedown, 4 ounces to the acre. LI 700, that's our surfactant, 1/4 to 100. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I've only got about 6 or 7 hours to get a lot of cotton sprayed. We are getting freezing temperatures in the morning, so got to get it out this afternoon. So that's going to be it for the video. I just got a lot of work to do in a short amount of time. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you haven't subscribed, come on and join the channel. Click the little subscribe button, or you can do the Triple R Farms over here. Anyway, click that Triple R Farms logo. That's it guys. See you on the next one. We're out.